Abusia prophet Telvin Sowarh one prophet as a ban FIFA World Cup yi ene ho prophecy Ghana for edini di ye pa na ne nkomhye ya obehye de fa Black Stars ho no mienu eba mu baako amamenu nam so ama boys adwane ye pa fi se wo mo de ne nkomhye no egina so edikotwa bet na abusia ena me no ka say prophet Telvin Sowarh aba bedi enkomo ewo OKFM ana wo kire se ono nkomhye no se wo hwe na wo se ho se ono nkomhye na wo hwe ne kwaye but the different bebre na aka ni nyina nkomhye wo hye ni nyina amasa be kwa de wasen adwa kan ho a wo kire se won fa football no ho nkomhye ma Ghana fo bi nemom wo mo abrocha kesefo no mani abre no wo mo and the results no ebom na so mo bibia wo mo de aye na busia Colombia ene Ghana ebebo match ene na prophet Telvin Sowarh asan edibo no emu nkomo anya no nko awasan di nkomo e de afa the base honorable kana compare kwa Japan na fe alanchamanten ho a wo kire se 29th July wo mo mielu ya wo kire se 29th January wo ho se wo mo mielu aka bo mu ase na wo mo ba no enya asem keto musame yenko se enkomo no se na prophet Telvin Sowarh edi ni fa too much GHS ni ya kon message so nya subscriber tem so ya na wo de be ona kan wo sa no upload ni to for the first person ya wo sabe dike aka
na say yes ubuafu wo say on share enkombiem Ghana ball a ye bo no where you say free mo pacho no krebe na wo say where you say free Black Star.
Oh me bumfu ye issue there are two problems in bound, and the first problem is the body of Christ, the second problem is the body of Christ, and that's the situation. Let me break it down to you. One say everybody is under authority. Obia ewo ubua or wadima manfu. Any senior men of God talk to us, we are advised, some of us we are respectful to the elderly, so we respect the honor of the fathers and those that advise and our counselors and our leaders and everything. So what happened is that me shen komno when I started the prophecy 1000 any nyamani all that was going on at my blind sight was that people were forming betting group and Telegram, WhatsApp, any Facebook nyama. Now what they were doing is that they were using my prophecies for betting. Abraham because Ghana will lose all their friendlies ne krano obi kra de twa bet mani ko see trade the bet no kra be send the betting slip and this kind of thing. And if possible I have like comments from my comment sessions before the prophet, like people are like, even when I came and I said no because of the bet and the score and I'm erasing it and everything, people said, Prof, you lie bad. Yeah, we've made up our mind already with the betting. We've already bet. Comment section under my comment is there right now. Like they've made up their mind to use your prophecy for betting. So that's the problem. Your prophet Telvin Telegram group is called Corresco, the Corresco group. And then for me, Obi Warner or the number 2.
That's a winning
not the link right to us we know a private one just say so for bibimba na prophet no latest updates na or the amount look at the kind of thing being created. So I can for my senior men in the ministry started communicating with us. Hey, look at where they are sending you. Once the first match was over, I said baby I want to kono odini na bet and I'm me checking my comment section on. People were sending best slip. We're winning 60,000. We're winning 8,000. A big cry, yeah, send this car. Every friend and I mean, shy upon a prof of more umbra, a penny, baby, a banner, a penny sound so much. They were thanking us, giving funds in Yaman. We send this car from bet. So I was like, no, baby, I'm not difficult. I'm not a betting prophet. I'm decided to take you out. Why better than gambler? No. So that's it. So I had to, drop. So the message is whatever you can do to draw yourself out of this thing. I really wish, the thing is, I should just get out. I shouldn't continue. And I was like, no, I've given the prophecy already. Unless I go and change the outcome of the prophecy. Like, oh, no, I said, no. For that to happen, let the rest happen. If it happens, then maybe they will learn. Say, at least we've already written our name before. If the thing is 3 and 1 happens, they'll say, oh, lucky. But if 2 happens, it's not a joke. Then if the 3rd one, we come up and then deal with it. So, everybody were waiting for me. Even right after England, they were like, I shouldn't make I should keep to what I said I would do. That's why every I do TV interview, but I said radio. I said no, this thing I've closed the chapters. When I said I've closed it, still people are still saying they will bet. One day still, Obi cry, how can I leave a radio station? I said that I've closed the chapters. None of the prophecies. I left the radio. No, be posted. Prophet Telvin said he has closed the chapter, but Ghana versus Croatia still 1-0. Sanipa no publishes and Obi or Betty Obi or losing his car. Anybody that took the bet, you see the problem is this. any media that decided to play the misinformation after I've declared that, they are the one responsible. Anybody I want information and free the source, or cut free on, you are the one that's the one responsible for that. Now, secondly, I said on Wednesday, no. I realized that even Thursday I was still seeing people propagating 1-0. Now we have video 1-0, and I mean, I'm for my correct score. And you G or Mudi, your more prophet in your money. My prophecies in Ghana. Once when I went on Friday at all night, and particularly to talk all night now around 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock and upon when it was raining, they couldn't go out, so I stayed with them until 6 so that we can all go home. 6:20 something, I make us listen. From there, I make up a blast and say, Scholar, and if I leave here, because I've already worked everything all together and request about me. So I can form a request. So I had to follow the pattern, because they are the ones you are dealing with. And even the public, they are all kind for betting profit, the betting sleepy too. Your group now, so I have to deal with it. We went in there, deal with it. I told them vividly, what they may bet, me prophecy no more better. It's also a prophecy for you. One now you soon come. I'm putting it to them right in the church. I said in front of everybody. It's my church service is live. There was more than like 1,000 people watching us live on YouTube and other channels. TikTok was also there. Everybody was watching it live. I said it and I took my time to break it down to them.
Last 1-0 victory, no ambasso.
Oh, we change the outcome. Say, I Troy.
Betting into
Betting into, yes. And also, starting from the betting in the body of Christ, and also some requests that came to me. So, which means we have to start interfering with things. And then the thing is that the numbers, I never wanted to tamper with it. I wanted to change goalposts, as I told you. I said, we'll change the distance, but we'll leave the numbers to prove capacity. But because some people were able to talk, oh, number no, we can do. I'm like, if you have capacity, I'm erasing it, but I never throw no back. You cannot go and change what I have.
It's nice. One day number, so no, it's no money, I can say 4 and no Kasai, and I feel so betting.
Exactly. So that's when I said I'm erasing it entirely. I'm getting me. What do you call Tibet? So the number is no longer 1-0. It is over. Me free. Sorry, no more. That's I think 6 a.m. in the morning. And I declare and pay favor everybody in the world. They edit. It's a live service. Don't say it will be here. A video. Be able to say, hey, Mr. Video no there. After the prophecy, before the event. You see, the hallmark of a prophet and the prophecy is that any word or decree that happens before the event is a prophetic decree. It has happened. It is. But if I say, I didn't see every I did change and I'm a now. Say na nyankopon ka kire me se me nkosesa enti na me nkosesa me twa nkonto boni ntro is a lie. When Ezekiel was prophesied to, Fanny say bia ye hyen kom so Ezekiel be Tuesday, not Tuesday be twem na Wednesday by na prophet na ba say nyame yi kire ne say Ezekiel owu bio me say Ezekiel has boniface. No, the prophet returned before the date of the demise, which means that the prophecy was valid. He went, gave a prophecy, returned back again, reclear the prophecy, because there is a change before the event. So event, we can always come up and then tell you that this is the situation. I left the rest to happen. The last one I came, I told you say no. So don't bet with it. Don't bet with it. I made it clear. I spoke for 30 minutes about that in church. 30 good minutes.
And I think say going forward, say person with the bet dia. And correct score na ummo.
Yeah.
But
oh, they also go with we.
And then I say, oh,
I'll prophesy. I prophesy months ahead. So if you want to catch up, you go through the prophecy. That once I 100 I prophesy the months ahead. So it's there. So I just follow what I have prophesied and just repeat it to you. That's what I do. I don't add to it. But once there is a change, we come, we tell you there is a change, and I don't even say, I change in a way, When I made that prophetic decree on the Saturday morning, 6 p.m. in the evening, me comment says no more talk. When I'm for advice, I'm for say, please, prophet, yeah, I say, Obi or Dunyami or no uncle Sunday the another. Obi Kragas say, bro, do cash out to or say that lie, that 1-0 it go happy because or no what they are any plans and me see my sister so no bomb pie say and we see me my prophecy me that I've gone to erase it and declare say I've given you a different score line to the point to who no continue or no say on pin or no so a bomb pie say me 1-0 then no never because no kocha. So you see that kind of mentality and I was steady at the Obeje they say when I said I've erased the prophecy from there, but when me run this me koya me ye ho adwuma no. Obeje they say everybody that
prophet Telvin Sowarh come on and yakakudi e dia ban na gada ko bi e kire wo madwene e de fa NPP for de no na wo mo e kire se NPP party no enye party kitwa anya pe bala wo mo hu impact anya ye e wo zero
and the problem say omo give me some picture back on me kwa me ni asoro me ni panada but it's like my face always ends up in this communications. I don't know how it happened, you know. So no they omo they ni panada koto omo ni pantua
it's almost just a party for the formation.
Say looking sharp, now boys are looking sharp. That's the problem. Because the person reporting did not take it out of context. They just took the person with the facts or declare. And then the second problem too is in quantum on the side of the pastors too. Because sometimes my boys say they'll come to me like, Papa, I'm like, no, this thing I just made an assertion. So if it's happening, that does not mean serious party. I was an assertion. So don't force it. It's not a prophecy. I am very blunt with that. I told them. They're talking in the prophetic because it's not a deliberate decree. I will not take credit for it. I will not say I said that. Or this because not part of my writing. Because all my prophecies are written down before decree. But then we take those things out of context and then we
all the social media handles no
and that's where the confusion is. Because sometimes they are also subject to motivation, exhortation, because the Bible is for a rebuke, motivation, exhortation, and everything. Over to me, I catch and say, oh, when him say Ghana for me, show Musuba Mbia, or Muya, one Shea CBC. Somebody be like, the prophet declares the Lord is about to do this. But maybe the person is trying to admonish the country. He's trying to decree something around it. And then people are supposed to take it and then use it, but then it becomes a prophecy. So it looks like once you see a prophet, even who motivation, even if you support your country, like if right now I come say Ghana may supporting Ghana there, we will never lose victory unto victory. We are winning. Someone can say, I just said that we will win all the match and win the World Cup. I caption all that too. I may be motivating my country. That's how it is. Now in that context, if you study how I post my prophecies on my platform, if it is not a prophecy decreed by me, you will never see it on my page. People can do calculations around the back and claim, hey, prophet, this is it. But me, I'll never post. Once it's not a prophet. If it's a prophecy and I have decreed it and it comes to pass, you know it's a prophecy. You can remember all the things I said was a prophecy. And the things I said was just statements.
Now, going forward, let's come back to this thing. How they call it? Benjamin Sowarh and we make one more thing about it. Then we can move forward from there. Now, on only destiny, he should not be afraid of the World Cup he's playing. He shouldn't see that he's smaller than the World Cup. He is bigger in size. He should trust himself and keep the goalpost. And to the Ghanaian players, Benjamin Sowarh, Ishaaku Fatau, Jordan Ayew, Mika Jordan Yama for Bamaka, Noama, Caleb Yirenchi, Semenyo, Antoine Semenyo. Yeah, I cannot forget him. Inaki Williams. This one, Senaya, the best number 2 in the World Cup so far. Ajete, the defender, Upoku, Elijah Wusu, Sibo, Babaraman, Pate, Babaraman, and Atizigi, yes, and all of them basically. I want to tell them, say, this World Cup, if they want to take it, they can take it. The wind is in their favor. They shouldn't fear any other person because we are not sitting there sleeping. We are praying that they succeed so that Ghana didn't be so they should keep pushing. They shouldn't go and say, hey, and I World Cup, no, no panicking. We are telling you, go and play your best. God is on your side as the Lord lives. Now, on the 28th of January next year, that will be 2027. I saw Kennedy Dupont, Alan Tremontin. They are shaking hands together. and there is a different opposition going on. When the time comes, we'll take.
Ejabusia prophet Telvin Sowarh nkɔmɔ no na yakɔ akɔdi de aba no na Ghanafoɔ bi kyerɛ wɔn adwene de fa NPP foɔ deɛ no ho na wɔn kyerɛ sɛ NPP party no nyɛ party ketewa anyɛ hwee kwala no firi mu no wɔn ho impact a enyaeɛ wɔ party no so te saa bere yi a owura Kennedy so aka ne ho yi wɔn nim sɛnea Kennedy so wɔsi sombo de ma party no fo nti party no nyɛ hwee han sɛ Kennedy bɛfiri party no mu de akɔfi sɛ political party wɔ yi ɛyɛ dodoɔ ɛna wɔn de yɛ nti no nipa baako koraa yɛ na ne ho hia eti wɔn bɛtɛ sɛ party mpanyinfoɔ bɛhwɛ sɛ wɔn ma owura Kennedy ɛmfa mfiri party no mu ɛnkɔnyɛ saa ɛbɛha party no yie pa bi so ɛɛkyerɛ sɛ sɛnea obi atie bia no wɔn so nkyɛn party no te sɛ obi eduru baabi na obi hu ne ho sɛ wɔn wɔ so kyɛn party no nea ɔbɛka na ɔsɛ party no tie na nea ɔno ɔpɛ ne party no anya ama na sɛ baabi awudi a ɛna ɛbra so sɛ wɔsɛ NPP party no esi gyinaeɛ ɛma wɔn ho na wɔn tumi yi wɔn a ɛha party no de firim sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ na Ghanafoɔ bɛhu ne sɛ wɔn yɛ serious party ampa wɔn ayɛ wɔn adwene sɛ 2028 no wɔn ba ama Ghanafoɔ ato aba de ama ofisɛ na wɔn yɛ kɔ position no so wɔn san so nsɛm bi so san Ghanafoɔ koraa bɛhu sɛ party na nkasa no wɔn ani mmere na so busa ne nyinaa mu no Ghana sɛnea odiifoɔ kaa sɛ gyina kono ne yɛhwehwɛ ne nkunimdie nti ɛnɛ nkɔ awie na bɔɔl no yɛ mu wie ne deɛ na yɛhim Ghana flag na akɔkɔyɛ nkunimdie de ama yɛn wei no mu no ɛne nsɛm wɔ ɛkɔ so am de bi abɛso mɛsrɛ sɛ wɔn so obɛgya wo deɛ ɛwɔ comment section hɔ de ama me all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na foforɔ so enya bi ahwɛ makra